Hi, everybody. Welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. On Saturday, March 8th at 2 p.m., we're having a program called What and When to Plant in Arkansas. You'll learn about cold weather plants, how to start seeds indoors, and you'll even get to take home young seedlings. Registration is required. This program is for adults 18 and up. For March's second Tuesday Lunch and Learn, we'll hear about the services offered by Sheepdog Impact Assistance to benefit the overall well-being of our nation's veterans and first responders. As always, feel free to bring your lunch. We'll provide coffee, tea, and a dessert. That's March 11th at noon, don't forget. On Saturday, March 15th at 10 a.m., it's Stitch Together. This time, we'll be reading crochet patterns. This is the third part of the 5-part series. Then on Saturday, March 22nd at 10 a.m., join us for story time and a craft with Castor the Beaver and the Beaver Water District. Have you ever used the chat service in the lower right corner of our webpage? It's really a great tool. If you have any library questions, just click on the box and start chatting away with one of our librarians. Spring break is March 24th through the 28th, so parents, you may want to check out our Fun with Reading kit. To get one, you'll have to fill out a form that's on our website. You'll find it on the kids page under Fun with Reading Kits. After you've filled out the form and submitted it, staff will pull items based off the information you provided, and then you'll be notified that the kit is ready for you to pick up. Now, a couple of my favorite books from the children's department are these three right here. Island of the Blue Dolphin, Little House on the Prairie, and A Wrinkle in Time. Now, my grandson is actually the one who got me to read this book. Some of the other things that staff could pull for you are playaways, movies, and then some fun nonfiction books. So, just remember they'll fill it as full as they can get it, and you check it out at the circulation desk. So until next time, happy reading.